This is Tecno Povo 3, a phone that has a massive 7000 mAh battery with fast charging, good specifications, a dedicated Panther 2.0 gaming engine, a massive 6.9 inches screen, and a lot more. Let's take a further look. The device comes in a very nice looking box, and inside it you can find a 33 watts fast charging brick, USB Type-C cable, and even a pair of earphones. The Povo 3 ships with an octa-core Helio G88 CPU, and it comes in two flavors, a 64GB model with 4GB of RAM and a 128GB model with 6GB of RAM. Each model has additional 3GB of virtual RAM for improved multitasking and performance. In addition to this, the company emphasizes phone's gaming capabilities, and to achieve that, the Povo 3 has a dedicated gaming space which is powered by the Panther Engine 2.0 and even a graphite cooling system. When you enter the gaming space, the performance is boosted automatically and there are a lot of settings to play with, so you have the best gaming experience. All of these specs, settings, and hardware enhancements translate into good gaming performance. I was able to play games like PUBG on HD graphics and high refresh rate without any issues. Other titles like Dead Trigger 2, Call of Duty, and Asphalt 9 run great too, which is very impressive considering this is not a flagship phone. Besides, the Povo 3 doesn't heat up or throttle even after extended gaming sessions, which is another highlight of this device. The phone comes in a few different colors. The ones that I have include an electric blue and tech silver. Both finishes look nice, but I prefer a silver model. The phone is made mostly out of plastic, but the overall build quality is very good. The Povo 3 feels nice in the hand, and it is relatively thin considering the fact that it has a massive 7000 mAh battery with 33 watts fast charging. Depending on how you use the device, this is easily a 2 or even a 3-day battery life phone. There is also a 10 watts reverse charging, meaning that the device can be used as a power bank. One of the highlights of the blue model, an LED strip that lights up when you enter the gaming space, receive notifications, incoming calls, charge the phone, and other interactive scenarios. I found a huge 6.9-inch Full HD display that has a 90Hz refresh rate to be very nice overall. It is sharp, it is detailed, the outdoor visibility is decent, and 90Hz is a good balance between the motion smoothness and battery consumption. As for optics, we have a triple camera system with a 50-megapixel shooter at the core and an 8-megapixel camera on the front. I'll talk about image quality in just a bit. The Povo 3 still has a headphone jack, which is a feature still loved by many users. I found the side-mounted fingerprint scanner to be fast and accurate. There is a dual SIM and a dedicated micro SD card slot for cheap storage expansion, and the dual speaker system sounds quite good. Here is a quick audio test. When it comes to user interface, the phone runs on the HiOS, which is built on top of Android 12. To be honest with you, this is the first time I'm using a phone that runs on this Android skin, and I'm quite impressed by the number of features and customization options it has. Just to name a few, there is a dedicated App Store if you think that there aren't enough apps on the Google Play Store. There is also a theming engine that has loads of wallpapers and themes, a built-in AI assistant with a bunch of smart scenes, and quite a few special features like multi-window, memory fusion, smart panel, app twin, and so on. I wouldn't say that I use all of these features, but it's always nice to know that I have so many options. Most importantly, I found the UI to be fast and smooth on a daily basis, and I didn't notice any lag or stutter. Daylight image quality is pretty good as images are detailed, the colors are quite accurate, and overall, the pictures will look nice on your social media feed. Portrait shots also look nice as the subject is usually nicely separated from the background with no visible artifacts. I also like the selfie quality, and when it comes to the low-light camera performance using the dedicated night mode, it's pretty good considering the budget nature of this phone. The device can record videos up to 2K resolution, and I found the overall quality to be quite good. It feels that 2K is just upscaled 1080p, but it looks a bit sharper. Selfie video quality is also pretty good. Overall, the phone can record nice quality video out of that 50 megapixel sensor. As far as connectivity goes, I found call quality and signal reception to be good, and GPS is fast and accurate. In conclusion, the Tecno Pova 3 is a pretty solid phone that offers a lot of features. The phone's massive battery lasts a long time, both gaming and day-to-day performance is good, image quality is nice, a massive 6.9-inch screen is sharp, and you get quite a lot of extra features like a dedicated micro SD card slot in addition to 2 SIM card slots, a headphone jack, a fast and accurate fingerprint scanner, and last but not least, the built-in LED strip is a nice design element that makes the phone stand out from the crowd. It is the first time I have reviewed the phone made by Tecno, and all things considered, I can say that the Pova 3 is a very good phone that offers a lot of value and plenty of features. What do you think about this device? Would you buy this one or would you choose another option? As always, like the video if you liked it, please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and as always, it was Linus, thank you for watching and see you soon.